Welcome to MIOX video series. In this video, we will cover how to reset the flow control valve on the RIO system. Let's get started. Before starting, gather all the necessary equipment. You will need an Allen wrench set, a small flat blade screwdriver, and 18 to 22 gauge wire. Warning, please follow these steps to reset the actuator. Ensure that all the hydraulic energies are secured or in a safe position prior to commencing. You will need to perform the following with power to the on-site generator. Step 1. The first step is to remove the valve from the plumbing compartment by loosening the top and bottom pipe joints at the front of the valve. Step 2. Switch off power to the valve by unplugging the water solenoid power cable in the plumbing compartment. Step 3. Use the Allen wrench set to remove the center DIN plug, which provides the signal to the valve. Step 4. Make sure the valve is positioned in the auto mode. Step 5. On the male DIN plug of the valve, make a short circuit between pins 1 and ground. The short must remain until power is switched back on. The short can be made using a wire or a screwdriver blade. Step 6. With the short in place, plug in the water solenoid power cable previously removed in Step 1. Step 7. Remove the short between pin 1 and ground of the signal DIN plug and allow the valve to reset itself. Step 8. The valve should reset itself by moving to a fully open position and back to a fully closed position. Step 9. Once completed, plug in the control signal DIN plug. Install the valve back into the plumbing compartment. Step 10. The valve should function properly again. If not, try moving the valve to the manual position and manually move the valve slightly out of position. Then place the valve back in auto. Restart this procedure from Step 1 if the valve does not function properly. If you continue to have issues, please contact MIOX customer service. This concludes the video on how to reset the flow control valve on our RIO systems. If you have any other maintenance questions, check out our website, our YouTube videos, or contact us. Thank you very much.